Okay, this is padayon kita. This is another example of sa GenMat dayon ninyo. Rational inequality. So what if may example kita? Let's say may example kita nga wait lang, pili kita at example iya. Wait, example yung manami. Number 8. Okay, number 8. 2 over m plus 3 is greater than or equal to 1. Kung mapansin ninyo, 1 araya nga ra. Whole number. Okay? Bukon imot 0. So, paano natin isolve doon? So, first na itong obrahon, dapat daya saylo na ito sa pihak. Okay? Dapat daya nga ra 0. 0 dapat ito imaw. So, magiging, kara ko masugat ha, 2 over, pagbawagan ko itong kire, 2 over m plus 3 minus 1 ag dayang inequality baluhan naton it is equal sign equal to 0. Kaya na. Next step dayon, dapat datong goal ibahon naton daya ag daya. Pero hindi naton sanda maiba kasi daya whole number, daya nasa sa fraction, rational expression imaw. Now, dapat ag hindi naton sanda ma minus since anong denominator hay magkaiba. Now, anong denominator kara? Anong denominator karaya? Denominator karon hay 1. So 1 over 1. 1 over 1 is 1. So paano aning obrahon agud mag same sanda it do nung denominator. So transform both the terms or the transform them both to find their LCD and transform them into similar fractions. Okay? Ano LCD at m plus 3 ag 1? Siyempre, m plus 3. m plus 3 divided by m plus 3. M plus 3 divided by m plus 3. 1. 1 times 2. 2. M plus 3 divided by 1. M plus 3. Times 1. So, may mo nga m plus 3. Okay? Next. The same mo sa that denominator. So, pwede mo sa isugat under 1 denominator m plus 3. And equal to 0. Next. Dayang to, sugat nimo. And since giniba mo sanda sa sangka denominator, dayang nga sign, i-distribute mo sa m. Dayang minus sign, distribute mo sa m. Distribute mo man sa 3. So, may imo nga negative m minus 3. Combine like terms. Ano mga like terms kara? 2 and negative 3. So, may imo nga m negative 3 ag 2 negative 1 over m plus 3 is equals to 0. And pwede mong mahambal nga negative m minus 1 is equals to 0 and m plus 3 is equals to 0. So, m is equals to negative 3 and pili ka kung ano mong bayluhon. Dayang 1 or dayang m. Mas manami nga m ang ibaylo. Agad maging positive ag imaw. So, negative 1 is equals to m. Okay, daywara imo nga value at m. Doon imo magiging boundary. So, i-test anay natin sanda. Kung ro m, kung do negative 1, agro negative 3 is part of the solution or part of the inequality. So, test. Okay, test kita. So, ano nga na itong inequality nga to? 2m plus 3. So, 2 over m plus 3 is greater than or equal to, is less than or equal to 1. Baluhan do m, 8, negative 1. So, maimo nga 2, comma, negative 1 plus 3 is less than or equal to 1. 2 over 2 is less than or equal to 1. 1 is less than or equal to 1. This is true. Sa rayang aside, baluhan natin do m, 8, negative 3. So, may aton niya, suwat na natin inequality. M plus 3 is wrong, less than or equal to 1. Ang dili, pwede may paste dili, oh. And 2 over negative 3 plus 3 is greater than or equal to 1. 2 over 0 is greater than or equal to 1. Kung mapansin mo, this will be undefined. 2 divided by 0. Now, true ro, negative 1. So, kung may number line kita, let's say, hararaton niya number line. Bawang number line. Kaya ron ang number line. Dayaro negative 1. Negative 3. Since manaba ro negative 3. Ag dayaro negative 1. Usuyin natin kung anong regions makasatisfy sa inequality. And since true ro negative 1, negative 3 ro bukon, tandaan natin, dayahay dapat makutom. Since do negative 1 ay included, true. True imaw, true. So, included imaw. Dapat madamo ro sa 1. Next, pili kita numbers sa number line. So, dago na ito na nairaya ito sa ubos. Agod, na ito. Okay, parang natin butang. So, pili kita from A. So, test kita iya. So, test kita sa A. Ano ro number naton? Try naton negative 4. Since kasunod ron it negative 3. Sa test B, try naton do negative 2. Sa test C, try natin do, ano kasunod ka ra, negative 1, 0. So, yan itong mga i-try. Negative 4. 2 over negative 4 plus 3 is greater than or equal to 1. 2 over negative 1 is greater than or equal to 1. Negative 2 is greater than or equal to 1. Is this true or false? This is, amat may number sa boss. This is true. Since negative 2 is less than 1. Okay. Next. Number test B. Try natin do negative 2. So, 2, comma, negative 2 plus 3 greater than or equal to 1. Try natin. 2 over Positive 1 is greater than, is less than or equal to 1. Is 2 less than or equal to 1? This is false. Since, since 2 is greater than 1. Kara, test C, 0 atong pinili. So, 2 over m plus 3, 0 plus 3 is greater than 1, is less than or equal to 1. 2/3 is less than or equal to 1. Is this true or false? Sino mas mababaho? 2/3 or 1? Siyempre, 1. So, this is true. Meaning, erase ko ni Raya. Meaning, the solution sa aton nga rang inequality ay do regions -3 to -infinity, since A is tama, ag -1 to infinity, positive infinity. So, isugat ani naton -infinity hasta it -3. So, wait lang. Dahil nga ra, -infinity, automatic, parenthesis. -3, check naton. Kaina sa -3, undefined. Undefined. Do aton niya pag-check. Meaning, daya nga ra, bukon it yakot. So, parenthesis. So, dahil wala itong solution ha. A and B. Sa B mat A, so start kita sa -1 hasta it positive infinity. Na automatic parenthesis daya. Now, ro -1, check ta anay. Ro -1, kaina is true. True imaw. Uy, paano to? Ano nangyari? Ayan, true. Meaning, kaibahan ni Mau. So, atong gamiton is bracket. And, pwede kita kagamit it conjunction and, or, pwede na to niya gamiton do union. So, negative infinity hasta it 3, -3, union -1 including -1 to positive infinity. Do you do solutions or do you do numbers that will make this inequality true? So, free mo lang.